Brian&Ethan series.
Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. How are you all? We are good here. Do you know how to make a levitating pencil? This pencil also rotates like a fan when you throw air. This is so amazing trick. And you can make a levitating pencil which will not be in contact of anything. Watch my video and learn to make a floating pencil. Friends, in this video, we are going to make a floating pencil. How to make temporary magnets and more details about magnets. Let's see the videos.
Magnets produce an invisible magnetic force which attracts magnetic materials like iron, nickel, and cobalt towards it. A region around the magnet within which this force of magnetism acts is called as magnetic field. A magnet has two poles, one of which called a north pole or north-seeking pole, while the other is called a south pole or south-seeking pole. North pole of one magnet attracts south pole, south a second magnet, while the north pole of the one magnet repels another magnet's north pole. So we have the common saying, like poles repel and like poles attract. The earth core is believed to be a mix of iron and nickel, giving the earth its own magnetic field. A freely suspended magnet always aligns in the north-south direction. Magnets lose their property on dropping, hammering, and heating. When a magnet is rubbed over an iron metal in one direction, it changes the iron into magnet. Here are some instructions you should follow before going to make floating pencil. Maglev train. This is magnetic levitation vehicle. It is one of the real-time applications of magnetic levitation. The name Maglev is derived from magnetic levitation. Now we are going to make a floating pencil. Let's start! 3, 2, 1. These are the things. Okay, we are going to make a flying pencil. Let's do it now. First, we need rubber ring. Second, we need a pencil. Third, we need ring hammer. Fourth, we need stone board. Fifth, we need a fan. Sixth, we need plastic strip. Seventh, we need straw. This is fan. Take the paper cutter and make 3 slits. Make the dots on a plastic stripe. The foam board has 3 slits. One slit on the one side of the foam is smaller. The breadth of the plastic stripe is equal to the length of the small slit of a foam board. Make 3 dots on a Plastic stripe. Use compass for making dots for plastic stripe. Two slit sizes are equal. Sharpen the pencil properly. Before you start, diameter of pole of magnets almost match diameter of the pencil. Insert a rubber ring followed by first ring magnet. Insert magnets from sharp end of the pencil. Slide it almost 3/4 length of the pencil. Use another rubber ring. Place it close to the magnet. Insert one more set of rubber ring in the pencil and place it close to the sharpened end of the pencil. This is our final assembly. Take 4 more magnets. Insert these 4 magnets, taking it down straight in the slit. We need to insert 2 magnets in one slit. Front magnet of pencil attached front 2 magnets of foam and backside magnet of pencil repels backside magnets on the foam. Insert plastic stripe vertically in this slit deep and frame. Make sure that the dots made on this plastic stripe are from side. Now adjust the position of magnets in pencil. When pencil tip rests on plastic stripe, front magnet should be aligned little behind front magnets of the foam. And back magnet must come exactly on top of the backside magnets on the foam. Once done properly, pencil will levitate. Sharpen the pencil on its back end too. Fix the fan on its back end. Now you blow the air from behind. Now the fan is spinning without friction. It's levitating proper. Let's see attraction and repulsion between magnets. Take one straw and two magnets. Insert two magnets inside a straw. Similar poles repel. Opposite poles attract. See it by flipping one magnet in the straw. By soaking flat surface of ring magnet 30 to 40 times a needle from one end to other end in one direction only. This needle becomes a temporary magnet. You can lift a pin using this needle easily. Let's see working of magnetic compass. Take one plastic stripe, double tape, magnetized needle and one bowl of water. Place one end of the tape in the middle of the plastic stripe. Stick the magnetized needle on the other side of double tape. Put this in water. It always rests in north-south direction. You just try to change the direction of the needle, but it always comes in the direction of north and south. Take one magnet ring, go nearby magnetized needle. What's happening now? Look here, opposite poles attracts. Then contact the magnetic side. Then see similar poles repel. I hope you like this video. Give me likes and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.